Today, we're taking a closer look at something simple but powerful, the manual breast pump, and the materials that make it safe, gentle, and effective for you and your baby. A manual pump might look small, but every part has a special role. Let's start with the breast shield, also called the flange. This is the part that fits directly over your breast. It's usually made of soft, food-grade silicone, which feels gentle on your skin and helps create a comfortable seal for smooth milk flow. Next is the handle, the part you press to create suction. Most handles are made of lightweight, BPA-free plastic, designed to move easily without tiring your hand. Some brands even shape the handle to fit comfortably in your palm for easier pumping. Then we have the valve and membrane. These small pieces help control the rhythm and suction strength. They're typically made of medical-grade silicone, which is flexible, safe, and easy to clean. The bottle or milk container connects underneath and collects your expressed milk. It's usually made from BPA-free plastic or glass, both safe for milk storage and sterilization. Many manual pumps also include a seal or connector ring, which keeps air from leaking out during pumping, helping you get consistent suction and smoother milk expression. So even though a manual pump doesn't have wires or motors, its design is carefully thought out, safe materials, easy cleaning, and complete control in your hands. Remember, Mama, always clean your pump after every use, and replace any silicone parts if they start to lose shape. A well-kept manual pump can serve you beautifully throughout your breastfeeding journey.